Welcome to OriGym, the place where personal trainers are made. Let me give you a tour and show you exactly what happens here. This is the main gym floor, where we run practical workshops and assessments. Students on our full-time courses also use this space to learn how to demonstrate exercises, coach clients safely, and build confidence in a real gym environment. This space is specifically set up for the health and fitness education and contains every piece of equipment you need to qualify on your chosen course. We have a functional training space, strength and conditioning racks, and weight machines. We have the cardio area, which includes equipment such as treadmills, bikes, cross trainers, and rowing machines. Our breakout area gives students a place to relax between practical sessions. They can go over course material or chat with other students and tutors. Our classroom area is used for our full-time personal training courses. This is where we cover the theory side of becoming a personal trainer, as understanding the science behind training is just as important. This space is used for our sports massage and yoga courses. Here, we host workshops and assessments. For example, our sports massage students will come here to practice techniques before their final exam. So that's a quick look at the space where aspiring fitness professionals come to develop their practical skills that they need to start their new career. If you're ready to start your journey, find out more about our courses using the link below. See you soon.